Hello students, good evening students. Here the structure of atom. Next question observed here, 2022 mains examination question. The wavelength of electron and neutron will become equal when the velocity of electron is x times the velocity of neutron. The value of x is the question. The meaning of the question is a simple question. It is actually wavelength of electron and neutron will be equal. So wavelength of electron equal to wavelength of neutron. De Broglie wavelength formula, lambda is equal to h by mv. That is nothing but what? Lambda is equal to h by p. P is nothing but momentum. So h by lambda, in the place of lambda replaces this with this relation, h by p of electron, h by p of neutron. So h get cancelled. What is remaining here? Momentum of electron. That means mass into velocity of the electron, mass into velocity of the neutron. So velocity of the electron is x times to the velocity of neutron. What is the x value? Here the question actually. What is the x? Mass of the electron, mass of the neutron already is given in the question. Here the mass of the electron, mass of the neutron. So mass of the electron, how much is? Look at here students, mass of the electron how much, mass of the neutron is how much in the data. Mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg into velocity of the electron is equal to mass of the neutron how much is given, 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kg velocity of neutron. So here asking velocity, x value is asking. So velocity of electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 by 9.1 into 10 power minus 31, the velocity of the neutron. So simplify this value, 1.6 by 9.1, 10 power minus 27 into 10 power 31 into velocity of the electron. 10 power minus 27, 10 power 31, 10 power 4. So 1.6, 9.1, 10 power 4 velocity of neutron is equal to velocity of electron. Simplify this value, how much you are getting, find out that value. So 1.6 into 10 power 4, almost the value after simplifying that value 16000 by 9.1. After simplifying 1758 is the answer, that is Vn. These times is more compared to this value. So option is 1758. Question number 98 observed here. Next question. If the uncertainty in velocity and position of minute particle, small particle in space, 2.4 into 10 power minus 26 and 10 power minus 7 is respectively the mass of the particle. That is Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula. Delta x, m delta v. Delta x is the position, delta v is the velocity, m is the mass, h by 4 pi. This is the formula. So what is asking here? Mass of the particle. So m is equal to h by 4 pi delta x and delta v. So h value is the Planck constant. What is the Planck constant value? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds by 4 into pi value is 3.14. Delta x value how much is given? Delta x value is given. So what is the delta x is given here? What is the delta x here? 10 power minus 7 delta x value. And what is the delta v value here, students? 2.4 into 10 power minus 26. So meter per seconds, here the meter per seconds, here the meters. 1 joule is equal to, what is the relation? Kilogram meter square seconds power minus 2 na, seconds power minus 2. In the place of joule, replaces with this unit seconds by what is present here, 10 power minus 7 meters, and 10 power what is present here, meter second inverse. So what is the cancellation here? Meters square cancelled. Here the move to up second square, second inverse to seconds get cancelled. What is remaining here? kg is remaining. So 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 by 4 into 3.14 10 power minus 7, 2.4 into 10 power minus 26. We need to simplify this value. What is the units? Remaining units, kg is there. So mass is equal to, the answer is asking in terms of grams here. Answer is asking in terms of grams. So 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3 grams. Convert that into grams. So mass is equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 3 by 4 into 3.14 10 power minus 7, 2.4 into 10 power minus 26 grams. We need to simplify this value. Just once check. After simplifying all these values, we are getting the, after simplifying value I am giving here 21.98, almost equal to 22 grams. So this is the answer, mass of the particle. So okay students, go to the next question. Observe the next question here, 99 question number. An accelerated electron has a speed 5 into 10 power 6 meter per second with an uncertainty of 0.02%. Uncertainty speed, that means delta v. Delta v is equal to 5 into 10 power 6 meter per second, second inverse, into uncertainty 0.02 by 100. This is the relation delta v. Uncertainty in motion, that is delta x. X into 10 power minus 9 meters. The value of x is asking. That means delta x is asking. So delta x, m delta v, h by 4 pi. H value we know that, pi value we know that. We need to find out the delta x, x value. This x value we need to find out. So delta x is equal to h by 4 pi m into delta v. So h value how much? Planck constant value 6.63 into 10 power minus 34. 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds by 4 into 3.14. Mass of the particle, that means mass of the electron, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. And delta v, what is the delta v here? So once observed here 0 0, here the 0 cancelled, 10 power 4 is remaining. So 5 into 10 power 4, 0.02 I am writing as a 2 into 10 power minus 2. So 5 into 10 power 4 to 10 power minus 2, 10 power 2 into 2, that is 10 power 3. Delta v value. So delta v value is 10 power 3. So kg, here the joule is present. 1 joule value how much? 1 joule is equal to kilogram meter square second power minus 2. So what is the velocity units here? Meter second inverse velocity units. So after substituting all the values, similar units are cancellation, then find out the value. So what is that asking here? The value of x is asking. What is the x into 10 power minus 9? So 6.63 10 power minus 34 by 4 into 3.14 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 10 power 3 into 10 power 3. We need to simplify this value. So 6.63 by 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 34 by 10 power minus 31 no, 10 power 3 minus 28. So 10 power minus 34 10 power 28. How much? 10 power minus 6. So 6.63 4 into 3.14 into 9.1. So we need to simplify this value. How much we value once we'll check. 4 into 3.14 into 9.1. The value is 114.29 almost into 10 power minus 6. 6.6. After simplifying this value, you are getting 0.058 into 10 power minus 6. So I am writing this value 58 into 10 power minus 9 meters. So answer is 58. Here answer is asking in terms of x into 10 power minus 9 na? So what is the x value here? 58. Okay now students, go to the next question. Question number 100. Observe the question number 100. The wavelength of electron accelerated from the rest through potential difference. Potential difference is V. Potential difference 40 kilowatts is x into 10 power minus 2 meters, the value of x. So wavelength formula, lambda is equal to h by root of 2 into m into ke. Ke means kinetic energy. That kinetic energy relation is what? Q into V, that is the charge into potential difference. Charge into potential difference. So in the place of Ke replaces with QV. So lambda is equal to h by root of 2 into m into q into v. So m is mass, q is charge, v is the potential difference. What is the value is given? V value 40 kilowatts. 40 kilowatts is nothing but 40 into 10 power 3 watts. Mass how much is given? 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. H value how much is given? 6.63 into 10 power minus 34. Q value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Substitute all the values in this relation. So lambda is equal to 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds by root of 2 into mass 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, charge 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs into potential difference 40 into 10 power 3. So simplify. After simplifying all these values, we are getting that value how much once we'll check. After simplifying all these values, students, simplify all these values, we are getting 6.14 into 10 power minus 12. So 6.14 into 10 power minus 12 meters. So the value is 6.14. Try to simplify this value. So every physical chemistry formulas are important, students. Either integer question or objective question, formulas are the key role. So try to make a short notes on physical chemistry based formulas. Very important end of the day formulas. Okay na students? Bye students.